Hello! I'm so excited for Christmas. Yay! Today we're going to be repairing some nutcrackers.
I started getting nutcrackers when I was in the 4th grade. Over time they've been damaged a little bit as we've moved and put them in boxes, take them out of boxes, and we're going to see if we can put some of these parts back together and help them look new again. Okay, Sydney, let's do some unboxing.
Okay. Better be gentle with them. I just saw something. Aha!
I know where that goes. Put them in the pile.
You're repairing them. The firefighter.
Guys, it's like an army of nutcrackers.
That is the tiniest little...
Can I make it talk?
Hello. Hello.
Oh,
I'm so excited for Christmas. Yay! Look at this. Look. That is going to be a big...
the very first nutcracker I got.
Whoa! That's huge! May I feel its hair? I can't even feel its hair. Its hair is like air.
Fur, sort of.
It's so comfortable. I like the ones that talk.
It's like almost 3 feet.
I'm gonna make him talk.
Let's see. Oh. It's like a...
He's a small one. He has
Hey.
baskets. He has baskets.
Found where that goes.
He has baskets. So cute.
We got one more.
Yep.
Another very tall one.
Uh-oh.
Oh, his hat.
His hat fell off.
I'll get it.
To be
Oh.
repaired.
Okay. That's going to use quite a bit. And his mustache got shaved. So.
Oh boy, that one really needs.
We're going to go through each of these nutcrackers and see what kind of repairs they might need. And it looks like this one is good to go. The best nutcrackers are made in Germany. Here's the Thief of Baghdad. And I think he's good to go as well. I don't see any damage on him.
You must have lots of treasure chests. All those keys.
Yep. I think everything is good to go on him. Okay, let's check out the next one. This is a music box. And let me see. I think the music box is broke on it. But the monkey would dance when it worked. But there's nothing really else I think we need to do with him. Just give him a little dusting. We're gonna have to see if we can find Santa's beard here. It may be in the pile of newspapers. I think he had some toys that fell off as well, so we'll have to look into that.
There's some toys here.
One doesn't have.
And this one's in pretty decent shape. I don't think he needs any kind of work. This one's gonna need a little bit of work. Here's his hat. And Sydney already glued his gun back together.
That part was hanging. It didn't have the barrel on it.
And this one just needs his belt buckle put back on. Well, he looks tough, doesn't he?
He does look tough.
And the duck hunter here had a gun, but I don't know where the barrel is. So he's just going to get half a gun.
Maybe the barrel's somewhere in the newspapers.
The king's missing a part of his crown here, but I don't know where that's at. Can't find it. This is also a music box. The San Francisco Music Box Company. Maybe we have the rest of his mustache. We'll see about that. And we've got to replace the drummer's drumstick. Right here. Here's the firefighter. And he looks good to go. And this one just needs a foot replaced. Other than that, he's good to go. And this one looks like he's in good shape too. So that's a quick overview. We're going to see what we can repair and see what we're missing. Probably not going to repair all of it today, but we're going to get them ready for Christmas. Now his pants are pulled on. He got his belt buckle on. Okay, there they are, all set up and ready for Christmas. Ready to come alive on Christmas Eve.